Transport. Long ago, people did not have any means of transport. They used to move only on their feet and carry goods either on their back or using animals. For transport along water routes, boats were used from ancient times. When people saw logs of wood floating on water, idea of making boats must have struck in their minds. They came to know that boats could be a good means of transport on rivers. They used hollow logs of wood as boats in the earliest time. Then they started making it more better. Later, people came to know how to make better boats by putting together pieces of wood. As the time passed by, the boats were replaced by steamboats, and now we have modern ships. Invention of wheel made a great change in the modes of transport. Animals were used to pull cart that moved on wheels. Until the beginning of the 19th century, people still depended on animal power to transport them from place to place. The invention of steam engine introduced a new source of power. Rails were made for steam engine to carry people and goods. Later came automobiles. Electric trains, monorail, supersonic aeroplanes, and spacecrafts are some of the 20th century contributions. The development of transport. Mankind has progressed partly because it became possible to measure time, distance, mass, volume, and temperature accurately. Today, accurate measurements have become a part of our lives.